Hello, hello, hello to all of my oily explorers and oily hackers. It's Teresa Sanderson, and I am coming to you live today. It's Wednesday, and I know I'm running a little bit behind schedule. I'm looking at the clock here, so sorry about that, but I do have for you today a DIY Lavender-Rosemary Shampoo. So this is a great little DIY. I personally love, love, love it. I am going to make a change to it today when I make it with you, but it was time for me to make some, so I thought, hey, what a fun way to just kind of go live and share this awesome little DIY with you. So I'm going to go through the ingredients really, really quickly. It's super easy and takes just minutes to make. As you pop in, please feel free to say hello. Let me know where you're watching from. I do love to connect with you. So very first thing I use is Quinn's organic Castile soap. This is organic and unscented, right? Because I want my essential oils to fragrance this stuff for me. But I do love the Quinn's quality, and you see I got a great big humongo bottle here. That is because I use it for everything. It is a fantastic soap. Mixes well with everything, does a great job cleaning. So Quinn's unscented organic Castile soap, and you're going to need a half a cup of it, which I already have measured out here. You are going to need 1 teaspoon of an organic coconut oil of your choice. So this is kind of like a shampoo and conditioner in one. I want you to kind of think of it that way because it is moisturizing to your hair. Now the recipe I had, here's the change I'm making. Because the recipe I had originally said add 3 teaspoons of coconut oil, and I made it, you know, according to the recipe. And for me, it's just a little too much. You know, my hair doesn't feel greasy after it's washed, but when I'm in the shower running my hands through it, hey Cheryl, thanks for joining me. It just feels kind of different. It feels, you know, like it's got a little bit too much on it. So today I'm cutting that back by 2/3, and I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of organic coconut oil to my Castile soap in my shampoo. You're going to need 4 drops of lavender essential oil and 3 drops of rosemary. And rosemary, you know, lavender is just great for everything, right? Smells good, feels good. But rosemary is actually very, very good for our hair, for hair growth, and all of that kind of thing. So, and they smell amazing. And rosemary too, I need to mention, it's very invigorating to the scalp. So I love, love, love that. So those are the 2 oils that you need. Other than that, you need 1.5 cups of distilled water, filtered water, whatever, you know, you use. So there we go. So first things first, hello, Ashley from St. Joe. Oh my gosh, we're neighbors. I'm about 45 minutes from you, girl. So here we go. I've got my Castile soap. I'm going to turn my camera down here to the countertop so you can see, but I have my coconut oil here, and I'm just going to let that go right on into my Castile soap. And you just want to mix it gently. If you mix that Castile soap too quickly, I got to tell you, it's going to lather up like crazy. So good. So those are mixed. Here we go, gals. I'm going to put 4 drops of my Young Living lavender oil. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. And then 3 drops of rosemary. So you're really not going to use a ton of essential oil in this recipe, but believe me, it's very, very good. And 3. There we go. So now we're just going to mix that up. I forgot to mention, you are also going to need a 16-ounce glass jar. I prefer a little mason jar. And then I'll show you what I have for a topper, because you will need a foaming soap topper for this. So now I've just got these gently mixed in my measuring cup, okay? So now let me just double check my measurements here. I'm going to add my 1.5 cups of distilled water. And again, you just want to pour kind of slowly there. Don't let it fizz up too much on you or suds up too much. And there we go. That looks right out. Looks like I did it right, okay? So there you have it. That is your shampoo. And it's super duper easy. I mean, is that quick or what? This, it turns out, is less than $3 for a 16-ounce bottle. It's like $2.89 by the time you figure out, you know, buying your Quinn's and all of this stuff. Yay, Ashley, good for you, girl. But here's my little mason jar, okay? It's just a simple glass jar. And on Amazon, I found these cool little foaming soap toppers. Is that cute or what? That go on top of my glass jars. So this is actually going to be the second round that I'm using this baby. So I just kind of washed them out, but now I'll show you. I'm just going to put this together just so you can see everything. I'm going to pour this just right on in. to my little mason jar, and I may have a little too much. That's okay. You just don't want to overfill. You always want to have room for your topper, and I'm hoping that I do here since I am on camera and everything. But there we go. So there you have it, and that is it. That is our Simple Dimple DIY Lavender-Rosemary Shampoo today. I just think they look so cute in these glass jars. Now, I personally don't have a problem with glass jars in my bathroom. You know, it's just my husband and I here, all the kids are out of the house. Grandkids come over sometime, but, you know, we're pretty safe in there. But there are plastic versions of these that you can get, and this little foaming soap topper I just think is amazing. So I'll put some links down below where you can get this recipe, but you're going to want to just kind of gently mix it that way. And then lastly, I just want to show you, check out the lather. Is that great or what? It smells amazing. Smells amazing, feels amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this DIY. I hope you will give it a try. I'm going to go ahead and wipe my hands off here. But let me know what you think. If you give it a try, I would love to hear from you. And thanks for tuning in. Have a blessed, awesome, amazing Wednesday. See ya. Yes, Ashley, I will post the recipe. Bye.